Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to animate any character in Blender. So this is my character, and if you want to practice animation in Blender and you want character for that, you can download it from the Blender Clouding website, where you can download various free character that are available on the website. And I have a character which is and its name is Vincent. So you can import this character. So now how can we animate this character? So so this is a rig generated character. So what does a rig do? So if we use these things, let me go to, yeah, if I use, so first of all we have to choose the rig and go to pose mode. And now I'm going to use these rigs to move or rotate the various part of the body. Like if I press G, it will move the certain part that is as, since this rig is associated with the wrist, so it will move the wrist only. If I move this one, it will rotate, it will actually control the uh, major part of the body. So if I press G, so it will try to move whole body is with legs as well. So if I want to move only leg, so it has there is already a rig there. So you can use this rig to move leg forward like this. Fine. And you can also change the expression of the face by using this rig. Like if I want to make it smiley, so I am going to use it G. Fine. And you can also widen this his face like this. Fine. And you can also use this. So you can use this rig to change or give the motion to the body, or you can use the position of the, like this. So, and you can also blink the eyes as well. So like you can use this, press shift and again use this shift, and now press G. Let me press shift and press G. So it is actually moving both. So first of all, what you have to do, you can do press, just select this one and press G. So it will close eyes uh, by eyelid, and then you can press G to, now you can close this one. Fine. So you can use this rig to give uh, position, different various position, and just set the keyframe and track all these keyframes, and you will be able to animate this character. So let's start animating and let's create a walk of this character. So how will I do that? So first of all, we are going to use our leg. Okay. And let's go to the foot and just choose the right leg. Oh, this is right leg, yeah, right leg, and move it further. Press G and Y because we will move this leg in along Y axis. So press G and Y, because if I only press G, so it will move in all directions. But if I press G Y, it will move only Y directions, Y axis, along Y axis. So just press G and Y and move it little bit like this. Can you see the preview, or you can see on the left screen how is it moving? And just first of all, let me we have to undo this what we have done. So first of all, undo this. Yeah, now let's go back to the 20 frames, and now select all keyframes. Just press A to select all the rig, and press I, and just set this, insert this keyframe, location and rotation. Fine, so this will actually add the animation here. So this this is the pose, this is the pose, a keyframe of the character. And now what we are going to do is, now let's move this leg. Just select this rig and press G and Y to move it along Y axis. Fine. And now we have to make our body little downward. So just press G and Y. Fine. So let I have to move back to the 40 frame now. Now we'll move our leg. First of all, go to 40 frames where we need a move, change the position of the body parts. So first of all, press G and Y again. Fine. And this should be G and Y. Fine. And just press, what happened? G and Y. Let me do undo. Again, press G and Y. Fine. Just leave it. Press just right left click and you will be able to do that. Let me on the, can I see it? Oh, that is hidden by the tool. No, I don't need it. So here what we have to do now, we have to set the keyframe. Just select this, press A to select all the rig, and press I and just set click on location and rotation. Fine. So let me move back and you will see some animation here. So right now it is moving like this, or we can, right now I'm not moving hands. So right now only I'm moving leg only right now. Fine. So now we are going to move left leg. So just go to 60 frames. Fine. And click on, select the foot rig and press G and Y. Fine. And now we'll have to move this rig as well. Got it? And just press A to select all the rig and press I and set location and rotation. Now let's move further. Now we'll have to select right leg again. So yeah, I can move. So let me go to 80 frames. Just press G and Y to little go up. Yeah, and I can press G Y to move forward, and I can press G and Y to go forward. Fine, and just select all the rig and press I, and we are done with this. So we have set 4 keyframes here. So just let's start with the let's start from beginning and press space. Is it moving? Yeah. So I think we are just, so this is our, let me go back, right leg, left leg, right leg. No. Now you can set all the keys from here to here, and you can create animation, or you can change the position of different part of the body. Like we can also change the hand position, we can also change the expression. We have lots of option to change. So I just wanted to give you idea how to animate. Fine, so I hope you get it. And you can also change the blinks. You can also change the eye expression, like you can blink eyes at various keyframes. So this will help you to give more good. And so first of all, guys, you must know, before doing animation, you must know how to model such characters. So if you don't know, I have already made the video on that. You can go and check it out. And this is you can download this character from the Cloud Blender website, and link is given in the description. It's in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And for more video like this, please subscribe to our channel. Karam. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.